everyone. Welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. We are just getting started here. We are super excited. We are here. It is New Year's Eve day, which means we have some special hours today. We are open from 10 to 3 today. We're closing a little early. And then on tomorrow, New Year's Day, we will be closed. So don't stop on by tomorrow, but you can join us back on Thursday through Saturday, our normal hours. So we have a few things coming up that we wanted to share with you. One of them is starting on Thursday. We have our previously loved machine sale. So we are getting ready in here. We're setting up. So we will have these ready to go for you on Thursday. So lots of great machines. As you can see, we're getting them all set up in there. Lots of different ranges. We have some entry level, some more high-end ones, and yeah, we will be getting all those ready for you. Okay, and right over here, we are super excited to announce that we are doing a Claudia Donnell event coming up in January. We have a few spots still open, and we have a couple options for you to do. So we have the Easter Miracles pattern here, which we have a sample for that Teresa did for us. So you can stop on by and check out this beautiful work of machine embroidery. There is also the option to do the Spring Inspirations pattern as well. This is a 3-day event, so it'll be January 15th, 16th, and 17th. And it will be a full day class, so it'll be 10 to 5, so you can get all of that, as much work done as you can, with instruction from Claudia Donnell. So we are super excited about that. So please consider joining us. You can call the store and if you have any questions, or come on in to admire this beautiful quilt. Okay, and just a quick reminder as well, a lot of our branded machines have sales that end today. So if are there any that you have your eye on and you want to take advantage of that sale, stop in today because it is the last day. Another very exciting announcement that we have is the Avenir, which is here. This is the newest top of the line machine from Brother. Has all of the amazing high-tech features that we come to expect with these higher end machines. So if you have any questions about it, you can stop on by and ask any of our knowledgeable staff in the machine department. They'd be happy to go over all of those new features with you and show it off. So definitely stop on by, check this out. It's right here front and center for you to see. So definitely come check it out. Okay, and right over here, we have our notion of the week. And this week, since it's right after Christmas, we have all of our organizers and containers so that you can keep track of all those new goodies that you got around Christmas and holidays. So we have some bags, we have some different ones for thread, or just in general to keep you organized for the new year. Okay, and we also have some exciting new Block of the Month programs. We have some that started just recently, so we wanted to show those off to you. We have Copper Mountain, which you can see we have started piecing some of the blocks and it's coming together nicely. And we just started the Sea Stars Block of the Month as well, so we've got some of those blocks hanging up there as well. It's the bottom half of that. So beautiful sort of aqua colored theme and kind of a little bit more modern. Both of those are available to sign up for, and you can get started on those right away. And then we do have some coming up that we are super excited about. The Kona Cotton Solids program is a brand new one that's starting in January. You can get the calendar to go along with the program. And there are two different ways of signing up for it. You can either do it with the white background, which is what we've started here, our sample, or you can also do the darker black background if you like that version better. So make sure to specify when you come in which one you want. But this is a really cool program. Lots of things to go with this one. So you get each month has a block that you create that's going to go into the main quilt. And it has a special charm pack that goes with it for each month. That is a beautiful ombre of those colors. So right now, to give you kind of a look-see of what we've got started, we have January, and then we also have February here, so you can take a look at kind of each block as we go along. So this one's going to be beautiful. We're super excited to see how it turns out, and it's definitely a true block of the month. We also have another very exciting block of the month. This one is called Dance of the Fairies. It is made out of batiks. So we've got all of these gorgeous batiks here. And an interesting fact about this one is it is paper pieced. So it's a little different. If you want to try out a new technique or you really enjoy paper piecing, this is a great one to try out. So those are our new blocks heading into the new year. If you want to start a new project and a block of the month sounds fun to you, definitely give us a call and we can sign you up for that. Okay, now getting into our fabric, we have a gorgeous new line from Northcott. This one is called Lone Wolf. It has all of these gorgeous sort of forest wolf themed prints. Got some beautiful designs on here. So we've got the whole yardage collection. And then there is a panel that goes with it. Amazing little centerpiece panel here. Be perfect in the center of a quilt. And then there is also a couple ombre bolts, including an extra wide backing. So once you finish your quilt, if you want something to back it in, they made this gorgeous 108 wide backing with kind of this ombre kind of leading into the tree line. And if you want to incorporate this beautiful ombre in maybe the front of the quilt, there is also a regular 45 in that ombre as well. So again, beautiful sort of watercolor-like collection from Northcott. A couple weeks ago, we did the City Harbor one, which goes super well. So we did that one right under. So you have kind of all of them together. You can kind of mix and match some of those if you'd like. So beautiful collection. Okay, and heading over this way, we have a new, more modern collection from Windam. This one is called Under the Canopy, and mixed in there we have Moonlit, which are some of these more blender ones, but they were designed to kind of pair together, so we kind of mixed those in. And then we have some more beautiful ones down here at the bottom mixed in. It's a very whimsical collection, kind of more of those woodland creatures with some little hints of more fantasy-like prints with the little fairy huts. Very beautiful collection. We love these more earth tones. These are going to be, I think, really popular this year, this color palette. So we have it right on the end cap here for you to see. Lots of pre-cuts up here, some fat quarter bundles available. And there is also a really cute free pattern on Windam to go with this collection. And it does include some of those blenders as well. Very fun. You could definitely go more juvenile with that one or a little bit more mature. it's really, really versatile. Speaking of really versatile, we did just do a restock of some Moda Grunge here, some of their grunge basic. Lots of beautiful new colors mixed in here, a whole rainbow. So if you're looking to restock, refill your stash, or you're looking for that perfect color, we've got what you need here. And these are only our newer colors. We of course have more around our round table and over here, so don't be afraid to look there as well. Okay, and moving on over here into our floral section, we have a new line from Lewis and Irene. And this one is very fun. It definitely has a more spring feel. So if you're ready to be done with winter, this amazing little cute, almost spring picnic-like collection from them is definitely a good way to go. We love those multicolored plaids and the main print here with all of those little garden creatures are super cute. And it's very colorful as well. Like I said, lots of those spring colors. So those are going to be really fun to play with. Okay, and right over here, we have a new collection from Wilmington Prince. This one's definitely one of our more traditional lines, kind of more of that reproduction style. Have all of these gorgeous kind of filigree prints and toile designs with some cute little plaids and stripes and dots mixed in there. And there is a border print that goes along with it. You can see that gorgeous stripe and design that runs the length of the fabric. So you could either do it as a beautiful border or, you know, fussy cut some of these beautiful designs out. It does have a free project pattern that goes with it. So if you're looking for a quilt to give you some inspiration, they do have this one. It's a nice throw size. So you can just ask us at the front counter if you'd like your copy. And there are some pre-cuts available. We've got charm packs, layer cakes, and jelly rolls all up here, as well as some adorable little fat quarter bundles. So very excited for that one. Love the rich tones in there. Okay, and headed up to the counter here, we have our kit of the week. So this week it is Wildlife Trail. So this one is going to be 20% off through the next week. Wonderful. You've got some panel blocks in here and lots of triangles and half square triangles in there as well. Which brings me to another exciting announcement. On Friday, which will be January 3rd, Claudia will be doing a half square triangle demo. So she's going to be showing you some helpful tools and notions so that you get those perfect half square triangles. Got some rulers, some marking tools, stuff like that. So she'll be here from 10 to 3 that day. That's this Friday. So if you want to come join her and learn some tips and tricks on half square triangles, you can join us then. And if you learn some really great techniques, you can grab one of these Wildlife Trail quilt kits that have lots of half square triangles. Okay, and that brings us to the end of our tour for today. Just a couple quick reminders. We are closing early today. We're closing at 3 for New Year's Eve. So if you want to take advantage of any of those machine sales that are going on, that are ending today, definitely be sure to come in before we close. And we will be closed tomorrow, which is New Year's Day. So don't stop by tomorrow, but definitely stop by on Thursday when we start our previously loved machine sale. And then also again on Friday, Claudia will be doing her demo, so don't miss out on that. One last comment, because we are closing early today and we're closed tomorrow, we will not be having Whatnot until Thursday. So on Thursday at 4 p.m. is when we'll be doing Whatnot, and we'll have all of the amazing fabric that you saw on today's show on Thursday. So don't miss that either. You can go into the app and save that show to get a notification about it. Okay, I think that is all of the info for today. Oh, don't forget to come in and check out the Avenir as well, because that just came in and we are super excited about it. But other than that, I think that is it for today. So thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for a wonderful year here at the Quilting Bee, and we look forward to spending the next year with all of you and hope it is a fantastic one. So thank you so much, and we will see you next week.